ईवी बाजार अब आया है ई-फील इलेक्ट्रिक पे, जहाँ पे हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मिस्टर अक्षर, यहाँ के बिजनेस हेड। अक्षर सर, वेलकम टू ईवी बाजार।
थैंक यू।
सर प्लीज़ अपने प्रोडक्ट और अपनी कंपनी के बारे में पहले बताइए।
So EV Electric is as a startup. Again, it's a OEM based startup. Now we have moved into OEM. We started manufacturing chargers first, and then we have three-wheeler manufacturing now. So as you can see, in this expo we have launched our L5 category of vehicle, which will go in production in January 23.
Okay, so let's begin with the newly launched product itself. Sir, please tell us about this specification.
So this is a very unique product. It's not just built on like existing Bajaj Piaggio chassis concepts. So this is a from scratch design to be a build end body. So this exact same vehicle would come in production. It's very spacious. Plus it has a highest capacity of battery, which is 14.5 kilowatt hour battery pack. Volumetric is also a very big part of this. This is a logistic vehicle, right? Loader vehicle.
Yeah.
So it has a 140 cubic feet. It can take 1 to 1.5 ton capacity vehicle easily on that part.
How far does it go?
So on a true range with partial load, it can go 110 kilometers. With no load condition, it can go 130, 140 also. With full load condition, 90 to 100 you can expect on this.
And which battery you have used in it?
We are using lithium ion batteries on it. And again, the offboard charger is also designed by us and made by us.
And what price range does it come out?
So we are expecting this to come on 3 to 3.5 lakhs roughly.
3 to 3.5.
3 to 3.5, yes.
Okay, moving on to your existing products, which is again a loader.
This is a pure loader. This can use for any logistic domain, very spacious end-to-end design. And this is a mover, basically a passenger vehicle.
Okay.
There's a great USP in it. It can be converted into loader also. That's the important part of it. You can fold the seats, completely close the vehicle. It would be a loader vehicle then.
Okay.
And you open it. So we have design and utility patents for all the products that we are showcasing
There's
here.
a multitasker in short.
Yes, so that's what it stands for, mover, multi-utility vehicles on that.
That's great. And does these two vehicles also comes with the same sort of battery?
Yes, this also works on lithium ion. So 5.5 kilowatt battery pack on this. Roughly 110 kilometer range, true range that you can give you on that.
And what would be the price range?
So 1.6 to 1.7 lakhs is the price on this, and we have a subsidy on also on it. It's ICAT approved, Phase 2 subsidy. So all good thing on it.
Okay. So now moving on to the charging station you have launched.
As you can see, this is India's compact 60 kilowatt charger. You would not see any 60 kilowatt charger smaller than this. This is very compact.
Yes.
This can divide 30 each, or if one gun been used, it can supply. Just press it once and it will release. So it's a CCS2 type of connector. Both are CCS2 dual gun charger. It can support 30 each on side, or if you use on a single side, it can support 60 on a single side also. It has a dynamic load balancing. That's an important part. It works easily with our application and CMS. So we have an application which is available on Android and App Store. People can download, see where the chargers are, book, navigate, and travel across the geography with our network.
Okay. So this was EV Electric. How does you like it? Please tell us on comments and do subscribe to EV Bazaar. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.